Good afternoon, children. Now I am going to continue in this lesson Robinson Crusoe. Meanings you have already seen, that is in your book. And now you are going to see the opposite tenses and singular plural. So opposites, I'll give this. So just make a note down in your notebook. Opposites. Then tenses. Then singular plural. So in this, one by one we will see this. So opposite for the start, stop, able, unable. This is the opposite, children, not the tenses or plurals, anything. This is unable. And third one is small, big, before, after. And then friend, enemy. So this 5 is the opposite for you. Okay. So start, stop, able, unable, small, big, before, after, friend, enemy. Now tenses. So tenses, so many is there. So just listen. Tenses. Sleep. Slept. So while you are learning this, learn the spelling also. Wake, woke. Then sink. Sink na mulgadu. Sank. Find, found. Meet, met. Eat, ate. See, saw. Scare. Some of the tenses will join with ed and some will come like a sleep, sleep, like this it will come. So scare, scared. Learn, learnt. Then keep, kept. Keep, kept. Then swim, swam. Speak, spoke. Then save, saved. Okay, so like this you can learn. So I'll say this: tenses: sleep, slept, wake, woke, sink, sank, find, found, meet, met, eat, ate, see, saw, scare, scared, learn, learnt. Then keep, kept, swim, swam, speak, spoke, save, saved. So very easy only. So learn with the spelling, opposite, tenses. And now singular, plural. Third one is singular and plural. So in singular and plural, you can just add yes for some of the words. So island, islands. Okay. Then day, days. Year, years. Years, you know. And then cannibal, cannibals. Cannibal means the tribe people who will be eating the human flesh, humans. And then next one is tool. That is tools. Okay, children. So that's all. Now, next we are going to see the answer the following. That is already in your book. Now take a book, page number. You can, some of you are having the book, I think so. So better take a book and take the page number 130, 120. 5. So in this they are given the question answer. Answer using yes or no and pick sentences from the story to support your answer. So they are given the question. You have to say yes or no, you have to write. After that, you have to pick out the sentences whether we said yes, no. So the yes சொன்னதுக்கு எந்த sentences இந்த லெசனில் உங்களுக்கு ரிலேட்டடாக இருக்குன்னு you have to write. So say answer using yes or no and pick sentences from the story to support your answer. So first question is, was Robinson interested in adventures? Answer using yes or no. Page number 125. This is B. Answer using yes or no and pick out the answer. First question, was Robinson interested in sea adventures? Was Robinson interested in sea adventures? Yes or no? Yes, he was interested in adventures. Related sentences from the support, the answer is he loved adventures. This is the sentences from the book, from your lesson. He loved adventures. And second one, did Robinson ship sink? Did Robinson ship sink? Yes, you have to say yes, the Robinson ship sank in the water. Yes. One day, a ship started to sink. Started to sink because of great storm. So suddenly there's a great storm. So its ship started to sink in the water. Was Robinson alone in the island? No. Was Robinson alone in the island? Is he alone in the island? No, he was not alone in the island. Alone in the island. So what's the answer? No, he was not alone. When he woke up, he found, when he woke up, he found a little dog. என்ன பண்ணிச்சா, ஒரு little dog is, he found a little dog next to him. So he was not alone in the island. Was Robinson alone in the island? No, he was not alone. No, when he woke up, he found a little dog. A little dog next to him. Okay, now I'll move on to the fourth question. Fourth one, did Robinson kill Friday? Did Robinson kill Friday? So what is the answer? No. The Robinson, no. This is the answer, no. Then Robinson sailed from Ireland to England with Friday. Okay, so like this you have to write the answer yes or no, and you have to correct the answer with the sentences from the lesson. Did cannibals eat the people? You have to say yes or no. Yes, cannibals. Appa yes edittu related sentences you have to write. Did cannibals eat people? Cannibals nale people சாப்பிடுறவங்க தான் cannibals. So did cannibals eat people? Yes or no you have to write. That is yes. What is the sentences in the story? They both saved some people from cannibals. They both saved some people from cannibals. Okay, so these are the 5 questions you have to learn at home. Did Robinson kill Friday? No, Robinson sailed from Ireland to England with Friday. Did cannibals eat people? Yes, they both saved some people from cannibals. So this is the related sentences from the story. Now take a book, page number 126. So this exercises all this in your book. You have to make a note down in it. So next one is arrange the actions of Robinson, numbering from 1 to 10. So they are given the 10 sentences. Sails in the sea, saves Friday, searches the island, sees a footprint, surveys the shipwreck, teaches him English, finds a shipwreck, saves the captain, builds a tent, gets food, clothing and tools, and leaves the island. So these are the 10 sentences they are given. They have started the 1 and the 10th point is given according to the story. Now we have to write the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And C is arrange the actions. Arrange the actions. So I am just shortlisted the heading from 1 to 10. Okay, so first they are given sails in the sea. Sails in the sea. And number 2, I'll write the correct answer. You put the number, children. Number 2 is survives in the shipwreck. Survives in the shipwreck. This is the correct answer I am writing. Number 3 is searches the island. So you put the number. Searches the island. And number 4, finds shipwreck. Finds shipwreck. And number 5, build tent. Builds tent. Get. Builds a tent. Sorry, builds a tent. Gets food, clothing and tools. This is the 5th one. And 6th one is sees their footprint. Sees, yeah. So you put the number, children. Find out the sentence and put the number. And 7th one, saves Friday. Says Friday. And 8th one, number 8, teaches him English. Teaches him English. And 9th one, saves a captain. And 10th, leaves the island. Okay, so I have given the correct sentences. I'll put the number 1, number 2 and 3 and 4 till 10. I put the numbers. You can put the number according to this sentences. Okay, now D is the short answer. Who is the hero of this story? And what was the age of Robinson Crusoe when he left for sea? Why did he grow crops? What made him frightened? Why did Robinson name the tribe Friday? So for all this, we'll write the answer, children. So arrange the sentences. You put the put the numbers properly. I have written the correct answer. Okay. Now the next one. The next one is short answer. So in the short answers, 5 questions they are given. we have to write the answer. Who is the hero of this story? Who is the hero? Who is the hero of this story? Answer is Robinson Crusoe. So you have to write the full name. Robinson Crusoe is the hero of the story. Okay, now the next one. What was the age of Robinson Crusoe when he left for the sea? What was the age of the Robinson Crusoe? Age of the Robinson Crusoe when he left for the sea. What was the age? His age was 19 only at the when he left the sea. So Robinson was 19 years old. Complete the sentences fully, okay. When he left for the sea. Very simple answer. Then the third one, why did he grow crops? Why did he grow crops? He grew crops for food. He grew crops for food. Then, what made him frightened? What made him frightened? எதை பார்த்து அவர் பயந்தார்னா when you see the footprints, suddenly you saw footprints. A footprint of human. A footprint of human made him frightened. Okay, so this is the fourth question. And the fifth one, why did Robinson name the tribe Friday? Why did the Robinson name the tribe? Why did he name the tribe Friday? Answer. Robinson named as he met him on Friday. Okay, children, so this is the 5 questions, and those 5 questions you have to learn everything. Okay, now listen, short answer. Who is the hero of this story? Robinson Crusoe is the hero of the story. Okay, what was the age of Robinson Crusoe when he left for the sea? Robinson was 19 years old when he left for the sea. Why did he grow crops? He grew crops for food. What made him frightened? A footprint of human made him frightened. Why did the Robinson name the tribe Friday? Robinson named as he met him on Friday. So these are the 5 questions in this lesson, and already 5 questions we are written here. So learn those questions, and the meanings also is there in page number 120 and page number 124. So you learn, your homework is learn the meanings. Learn meanings in this lesson fully. Okay, so learn the meanings. Now, so that's all for this lesson in this Robinson Crusoe. So complete the exercises and read the question answer. Thank you, children.